Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So today I'll be performing and teaching you one of my personal favorite card controls. This is really easy and super practical. Okay, so the spectator can pick any card they like. Let's say the spectator picks this one, the Ace of Clubs. We leave the Ace of Clubs in the middle of the deck. Now the Ace of Clubs is actually in the middle of the deck. I don't know where it is, but we can go to the oops, sorry about that. So as I was saying that the Ace of Clubs is actually anywhere in the deck, but if I snap my fingers, it gets controlled to the top. So let's get into learning this card control. So I hope you guys like that performance, and let's get right into learning this card control. So the setup, there's a small setup required. All you need to do is turn the bottom card over. So basically the bottom card is turned over, it's turned face up, and now the spectator can truly pick any card they like. Let's say the spectator picks this one, the King of Hearts. So now what you do is you place the King of Hearts on top and then you cut it. Now what you've done is you've placed that overturned card on top of their selected card, the King of Hearts, like this. So now you go on with your thing saying the card is anywhere in the middle of the deck, and you spread. When you spread to it, you'll notice that this card is overturned. So now, of course, this is going to be regarded as a mistake only because, one card is overturned in the deck. It can only be a mistake. So of course you gotta rectify it, right? So you turn it over like this, and then you cut the deck. Now what you've done is you've controlled their card right to the top. And see, nobody's going to question this because, let's say we'll go through this again. Let's say they pick this one, the Jack of Spades. You cut the deck like this. So when you spread through, this is a mistake, right? Nobody's gonna question you turning this card over because it is flipped over, so you gotta rectify it. So you come over, grab this and turn it around, then you just cut the deck. That's all you're doing. So we'll do it one more time. Bottom card is overturned. They pick a card. Let's say they pick this one, the Nine of Spades. You cut the Nine of Spades, and as you're talking, you spread through, and then you notice this overturned card. So you'll be like, oops, and then turn it over and cut the deck. Nobody's going to question this because it's just rectifying a situation. If a random card was overturned in the middle of the deck, of course you're going to rectify it, right? You're not going to let it be turned in the deck. So nobody's going to judge. Nobody's going to question this move because it's completely natural. And in that motion, you control the card right to the top, and it fools every single person. This card control is so practical. It is really practical. Sorry, this is really practical, and I think you guys could really use this. It's super easy, no sleight of hand required, just a little bit of acting. That's all you need, and you're good to go. So that was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to hit 200 subs before the end of July, right? I think today is the 16th of July, so 15 more days and I've got to hit 80 subs or something like that. So we can make it happen, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.